It is so cold here in Sweden. Welcome to my channel. My name is Natoshi, and today we're gonna go through what's happening on Ethereum and BTC. Right now, we can see that we've had a very strong one day of the first day of the week on Ethereum. So we have a new candlestick opening, and we are already up at 1,665 at this time. Now, it is, of course, 6 days left before this candlestick is closing, so there's a lot of things that can happen in between. But if we are going to close like this, we're going to have a bullish reversal pattern, which is a morning star. And if we are breaking it down to the lower time frames, we saw the market last week have a drop from the support level. We created a fake out. We are inside of the support once again, and we are right now testing another Fibonacci level that I did expect the market to come to, and this is the one that we're testing right now at 1,665. If the market now, because usually we see a small pullback, but it doesn't have to be a big one, but if we see Ethereum, I am so excited to share this broker together with you guys. I've been waiting for a long time. So Prosperity FX is a platform where you can trade still crypto, but you can also trade energies, you can trade forex, indices, stocks, you have metal in here. So when the market on the cryptos are very stagnant, we can still take advantage of the other charts. And if you've never used this platform before, I do have a quick tutorial on how to use it. We are using MetaTrader 4, and if you've never used that one either, then I will add a video later on this week, and I'm just going to explain on how you're taking your trades from here. But a very simple platform for everyone that is new to it, and they are available in most of the countries. They do need a KYC from you, and they have a very secure account when they have the two-factor 2FA in here for you, so you always feel safe. When it comes to withdraw, it takes you around 40 minutes to an hour. So this broker don't fight with you about your money, and this is the reason I love them so much. So you have the link in the description down below the video for you to be able to sign up on this platform. And now let's continue to see what's happening on the charts. Breaking above 1,665, we're looking at the previous top at 1,705, and the big term, long-term target that we have, especially if we see the weekly candlestick closing with a evening star, morning star, then we're looking at the pattern, we're looking at the levels at 1,740, also 1,800. So right now it definitely looks that we're gonna have some momentum up if we are not failing this previous Fibonacci level and start to reverse to the downside. But by looking at the higher time frames candlestick patterns, it definitely looks like we needs to have a bigger push to the upside, and these are the levels that I'm looking for Ethereum. Of course, on the lower time frames, we'll see the market give us some pullbacks. And as I said, we have 1 week left of this candlestick pattern, so there's a lot of things that can happen. But right now, I'm a little bit more bullish on the lower time frames, and of course, for the week ahead. And when we are looking at BTC, we have the exact same thing. We reached the level that I also spoke about last week, which is the one at 27,270. This is one of the highs that we expected the market to pull back up to. And if we have bigger momentum, we have 27,600. We're also looking at 28,545. Going to the higher time frames perspective, what also can happen, because we see that the market did break the support trend line. Another thing is that we, of course, can pull back up, retest this trend line, and I'm still looking overall, I'm still looking for a bearish momentum, but of course the market needs to retest certain levels if that is the case. Now, if the market's gonna have a bigger bullish momentum, then we'll see the market, after a potential retest of the zone, have a higher low and a continuation. But right now we're looking at a pullback because the overall trend is still to the downside, and we all know that the structure has been broken on the weekly, which means that we can still push back up to retest certain levels for that next momentum to the downside. Let me know what you think the market's gonna do from here on. Are we gonna continue to be bullish, or will we only retest certain levels, and after that will we see the market continue down, or do you think the market will continue to the upside? Make sure to also follow me on my Twitter account. This is where I give you the updates. So earlier today I spoke about Ethereum, that we could have a potential retest at 1,665. We also saw the market after that reaching 1,665. So I always give you updates on what's happening on the currencies, and especially when we see big momentums that is happening right now. So the market is not super stagnant, but we are a little bit stagnant. As you guys know, I also look at indices. We're gonna start to have some live stream when we are going in and looking at what's happening on SPX 500, US 30, and NASDAQ too. And I finally have the broker, as I said in the beginning of the stream, which is called Prosperity. You can trade both indices, cryptocurrencies, as most of you guys are doing. And on this platform you have a very low spread. We're of course gonna continue to talk about crypto, but I will add some more indices and forex also if we have any specific pair that is moving, because when the market is stagnant on the cryptocurrencies, then we can be able to make more money off the other currencies, on the other pairs, which is a lot of them. So we don't want to be too stagnant on one pair and just wait for that one to start to move, because I want to make money, and so should you, because that's why we're here. Of course, I'm no financial advisor, but I'll share everything that I see on the charts, and you have the link in the description down below the video for the Prosperity broker. So make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification so you know when I am live next time, when I do have my daily updates. Until we see each other later, I wish everyone a fantastic day and a good week ahead.